SwaggerGuru.com presents In the Loop, where we keep you in the loop of what's going on. If this content is beneficial to you, like, comment, subscribe, share it with a friend, and hit the notification bell. When you like our content, it helps people find our content. Thank you for your support. We appreciate you. The U.S. Army has grounded aviation units for training after 12 soldiers died within the last month in helicopter crashes in Alaska and Kentucky, the military branch announced. The suspension of air operations was effective immediately, with units grounded until they complete the training. For active duty units, the training is to take place between May 1st and 5th. Army National Guard and Reserve units will have until May 31st to complete the training. The move grounds all Army aviators except those participating in critical missions until they complete the required training. United Healthcare made customers aware of a data breach which temporarily allowed access to personal information for those enrolled in the company's healthcare plans. The breach occurred between February 19th and February 25th. Compromised information included names, date of birth, address, provider names, and claim information. United Healthcare is offering 2 years of free identity theft protection services to members as a precaution. Anyone with questions should call 1-800-669-1812 from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday. Man chokes for 15 minutes and kills homeless man on New York City subway. These are two of the 192 mass shootings in the United States this year. Georgia man shoots and kills his mother, his grandmother, his female manager at McDonald's, and then commits suicide. U.S. Coast Guard veteran in custody suspected of fatally shooting a woman and wounding 4 others in a medical waiting room in Atlanta, Georgia. The suspect's mother apologized to the families of those slain and hurt. She also has a message for anyone asked to help someone with mental illness. Don't disregard them. First son Hunter Biden says he has already paid $750,000 in child support to his baby mama as he seeks to cut down the monthly payments. His lawyers revealed in court President Biden's 53-year-old son appeared in person for the paternity suit hearing amid his ongoing battle to reduce payments for the 4-year-old daughter he has with a 32-year-old former stripper with whom he had a month-long affair. His attorney argued that Hunter has been paying $20,000 a month to support his daughter since a paternity test revealed he was the father. Y'all can say what y'all want about Hunter, but he sure looks like he knows how to have a good time. Disease detectives with the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention are investigating a cluster of rare and serious brain abscesses in kids in and around Las Vegas, Nevada, and doctors from other parts of the country say they may be seeing a rise in cases too. In 2022, the number of brain abscesses in kids tripled in Nevada. In my 20 years experience, I've never seen anything like it, said Dr. Taryn Bragg, an associate professor at the University of Utah who treated the cases. Dr. Taryn Bragg is the only pediatric neurosurgeon for the entire state of Nevada. And because she treated all the cases, she was the first to notice the pattern and to alert local public health officials. In almost every case, kids would get a common childhood complaint such as an earache or a sinus infection with a headache and fever. But within about a week, Bragg says it would become clear that something more serious was going on. Brain abscesses are pus-filled pockets of infection that spread to the brain. They can cause seizures, visual disturbances, or changes in vision, speech, coordination, or balance. The earliest symptoms are headaches and a fever that comes and goes. Abscesses often require several surgeries to treat, and kids may spend weeks or even months in the hospital recovering after they have one. New York City Mayor Eric Adams announced that the New York Police Department will be acquiring some new semi-autonomous robotic canines. The move comes almost exactly 2 years after the NYPD halted its first go at using a camera-carrying robot dog for surveillance. After a massive public outcry, citizens felt it was an overreach of police power. Now Adams, a former NYPD captain, is moving the program forward again. The NYPD says it will acquire two of Boston Dynamics' controversial Spot bots. While the robot dogs have autonomous capabilities, the NYPD says these units won't be patrolling the streets by themselves just yet. Instead, the robot dogs will be deployed in specific instances where the danger for humans is high, much like the bomb squad robots the department already uses. Each spot will cost about $75,000, with the cameras and sensors attached to their bodies costing extra. Spot is not the only robot rookie joining the NYPD. The department is also testing the use of a Knightscope K5 robot. The human-sized ovoid K5 is equipped with cameras, sensors, and speakers. It's meant to patrol and surveil its surroundings, deterring break-ins and vandalism. The security robot comes equipped with sensors that can detect concerns or threats in the vicinity and alert authorities. The robots can capture and send video to a back-end security network and detect sounds like glass breaking, in addition to other capabilities. The robots have courted controversy in the past when one of the 5-foot, 300-pound machines knocked a toddler down and injured his foot while patrolling a shopping center in Palo Alto, California. They've also raised concerns about privacy, but it's already been proven and accepted that there is no expectation of privacy in public spaces from a law enforcement perspective. Anyone in the United States who used Facebook in the last 16 years can now collect a piece of a $725 million settlement by parent company Meta, tied to privacy violations, as long as they fill out a claim on a website set up to pay out money to the social network's users. The settlement stems from multiple lawsuits that were brought against Facebook by users who claim that the company improperly shared their data with third-party sources, such as advertisers and data brokers. Link in description to submit a claim. Dennis Malik Barnes, the New Orleans High School 16-year-old senior who was accepted at over 185 colleges and received more than $10 million in scholarship offers, announced Friday that he will attend Cornell University in the fall to pursue computer science and to later move on to practice software development. 50 Cent has purchased a 985,000 square foot building for his G-Unit Studios. According to TMZ, 50 Cent, Shaquille O'Neal, and Kenya Barris have joined forces in a BET bidding war in an attempt to buy BET. If this content is beneficial to you, like, comment, subscribe, share it with a friend, and hit the notification bell. When you like our content, it helps people find our content. Thank you for your support. We appreciate you.